Are you looking for a reliable way to import Outlook MSG files into Gmail? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to Gmail Converter. You can seamlessly migrate all your MSG files in bulk with complete safety and accuracy. Key features of Outlook MSG to Gmail Converter. Complete MSG file migration. Supports all MSG file types. Fast and secure migration process. Compatible with all Windows versions. Step-by-step guide to import Outlook MSG files into Gmail. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear MSG to Gmail Importer. Step 2. Select MSG file format as the source. Step 3. Choose file or folder mode and add MSG files. Step 4. Select Export to Gmail account and click Next. Step 5. Enter Gmail login credentials. Step 6. Choose an existing Gmail folder or create a new one to save MSG files. Step 7. Finally, click on the Upload Now button. Once the process is complete, your MSG files will be instantly available in Gmail, accessible across all platforms and devices. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.